Hey y'all, hey, this is my girl Morgan. You guys can follow her at the Skin Squad. Morgan initially had a platinum pixie that we did. I believe we did it. Did we do it before Christmas? I can't remember, but I will insert a picture so you guys can see. However, the platinum pixie is a very delicate hairstyle. Now, it's not hard to maintain. However, you have to do exactly what I say to do. Excuse me, to do and not to do, or your hair will fall out. Now, I was cutting her hair before I started recording, and I forgot to turn the camera on. So that was not her hair like falling out on the side, but she did have a couple of patches. Morgan's hair texture, she can go longer. It's recommended to do like, if you have the tight curly hair, then you got to get it done more often than someone with looser curls. So we were gonna do her platinum pixie over, but she was like, y'all can do me some funky colors. I don't mind pink, green, whatever. So I was like, okay, well, since you want that, there's no need to do the platinum pixie service, and we could just give you a relaxer, and that'll be easier for you to care for. So I decided that we're gonna give her a relaxer and color today. So right now, all I'm doing is removing the platinum off her hair. Morgan naturally has really, really dark hair. So it was really a breeze like doing her hair. She does have that texture, like even when you relax it, it still looks curly. But that's just, the type of hair she has. So I am just taking my clippers and literally getting all of that platinum hair off, because you can't relax over platinum hair. We know what's going to happen. Like, the end result, okay? We see it all the time. You cannot relax on top of platinum hair. I don't care who you are. As soon as that relaxer hits that hair, it's going to fall out immediately. So she's just kind of checking out her hair and everything. And I'll say the hardest process was really just continue cutting. And I just kind of went over it to make sure that I'm not cutting anything off except the platinum hair. Y'all see Mello in the background doing a little stretchy stretch, because no matter where, he's going to be within 5 feet of his mom. Morgan hair is super, super thick as well, so I'm just kind of giving her a line right with the shears. It is definitely possible. I will clean it up later, but yeah, I didn't realize my arm was in the way either, but my bad, y'all. Y'all know the self-recording can get a little complicated sometimes. The relaxer of choice, I'm using Naked by Essations, and I'm using the No Lie relaxer. I did mix it up to Resistant because, again, her hair is very, very thick, and she also has that hair that just doesn't go bone straight. And I work really fast, so it's not like it'll be sitting on her head for a long time. This video is sped up, don't get me wrong, but if you've been in my chair, you know that I'm a very fast working hairstylist. Because we are working with virgin hair, well, it was virgin once I cut everything off. I did spend a lot of time smoothing her hair, and I just wanted to make sure that it would just lay down the way that I wanted it to. Now, another thing with Morgan's hair is her hair grows in different directions all over her head. So like a normal style, you kind of gotta like mold it with the hair. I can't explain it, but her hair grows crazy. It really does. So y'all don't kill me. This was a busy day. It also was kind of an impromptu recording. So I was so busy I literally forgot to record when I was doing the color. But, you know, it's kind of self-explanatory. I lifted her to a level 8 for about 20 minutes. Then we shampooed it out and I put the color, and she's just wearing semi-permanent color, and the colors that I used were by Nairobi and of course Joico. Now this flat iron is another Glam Palm dupe that I found. If it's available here on YouTube, I will link it, I'm sorry. If not, check the description box and I'll put the direct link to this flat iron in there. Y'all, these companies been coming for Glam Palm's neck. Now, I reviewed another flat iron that was a Glam Palm dupe. That one was on my Instagram. I don't remember if I posted it here or not. I don't think I did, but I may have. This one is actually a little better than that one. This one has different color plates, and I feel like it just kind of glided more. I don't know. I don't know, but it kind of looks the same, like when you look at the flat irons, but they're not. They're a little different. However, under $30 versus the Glam Palm, which is like $200. Yeah, this one works great, especially for like really small curls when you're doing like a really, really short pixie. This is the perfect size, and it's a 3/10, but what makes it so unique is because the plastic around the flat iron is really small and thin, so it just it makes it, you know, even smaller. And it could be a little less than 3/10, but I believe it is 3/10. I'm just doing a little comb out on her hair just to kind of give the hair a little bit more oomph. I don't mind roll curls at all, but depending on the style and the person, I have to comb them out. And in this case, I just couldn't leave them like they were. spraying a little Kenra Volume Spray, Nairobi Sheer Shine, and she is done. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think.